Am I James Charles? Am I James Charles yet? Oh my gosh, am I James Charles yet? Say Charge! Hello, Charge? Hello. Happy Halloween, everybody. Let me show you what I'm using. Oh girl, she's messed up. She's a little beat up. We've hit pan. This is not mine, okay. This is my sister. We've hit pan on the purple. We've hit pan, oop, on the sprout. Shoot, okay. We got some colors in here. Let's get into it. Girl, I'm about to recreate your face. Damn. Good start. Oh shit, that just took all the profit. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, this is good. Actually, it's not really good. I really don't know what else to do, you guys. Okay. Who else has done this before? It was just making me really annoyed. This looks ugly. Glad you noticed, bitch. I don't even know what my teeth look like. So, how am I supposed to draw teeth when I don't even know what my own teeth look like? These are basically my teeth, okay? This isn't really dripping well. Nope. Oh my my god, Satan, you did it today. A wing liner. Oh, look at that skinny little line. Oh, bitch. Okay. Ow, my wing is gonna be ugly. Girl, I just want to be done. Spooky, scary skeleton. Spooky, scary skeleton. Yes, you are. Look at my wing. Look at you. What are you, bitch? I am so trippy, so wet, so fucking trippy. And let me fucking suck on your nipple. All done. Oh my gosh, that was scary. I don't know what came over me. And now we're gonna do James Charles. Now let's take off the robe, bitch. Okay, I don't really want to wipe all this off, and then also have to wipe James Charles's off. So let's just hope the white lays on top of this. Oh. Oh, I have to get the whole body. Let me just cover that. We're gonna get that full coverage, honey. Because this sponge is dirty. Yes, full coverage. I'm using L'Oreal 24 Hour. Gotta get that full coverage. Oh, you see that? Full coverage. Oh my gosh, you can't see that, but I just squirted everywhere. I freaking squirted. I basically look like James. Oh! Wow. Ah! It's burning in my eye. It's burning in my eyeball. Oh. Get out. Oh my god, I look a mess. How did this turn into a mess? What? I don't use too much. Why did you even say that? Blood? Should we? Nah, we aren't gonna use blood today. What we are gonna do is we're gonna get... Listen, James, I told you. I was gonna recreate your freaking look. And believe me. But check this. You getting that color? Not pigment said. Am I James Charles? Am I James Charles yet? Oh my gosh, am I James Charles yet? Say Charge! Hello, Charge? Hello, you guys. I want to thank you for watching my spooky video. Looky like the mouse, did you like the melting face? Or did you like my spooky, scary skeleton? Tell me in the comments down below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Subscribe if you want. Please do. I would really appreciate it because I'm new. Brand new, guys. Alright, goodbye. I hope you guys have a wonderful night.